Hello everyone. Today we're taking down our 22-foot water slide. So this being a little bit bigger is going to just have a few extra things to pay attention to while you're taking it down versus our 15-foot. Much like you would on any other slide, you're going to fold everything in on itself a little bit. You can kind of see how they're taking this and folding the slide in half first to make it smaller, otherwise it would be really long to have to roll this up. Now this is when we're also going to start folding it into thirds. If you've seen just about any takedown video we've done so far, it's always the first step that normally tends to happen is we fold the slide into thirds or even the bounce house. So they're working to do that just now. They're also going to have to walk out on this a little bit. Due to the slide being bigger, there's more pockets of air that they're going to have to try and push out. So they'll walk towards where the blower tubes were to push that air out of the slide and make it easier to roll. As always, you're going to start tight at the beginning. The tighter, the better, because you're really going to have to roll this out, and you don't want the roll to be too thick. You can also see that we have Melissa walking backwards along the slide to try and help push air out more because there really is going to be a lot of resistance as you roll this slide up. You can kind of see how much bigger it got here as we kind of skip to the end of their roll. Just like all the other slides, when you roll them up, you're going to put your little ropes down at the end here, and then once you've got them out and aligned out the way you need them to be, you'll roll your slide over it, enough that you can grab those ropes out from underneath the slide and begin to tie it. Just make sure you get it tight enough before you begin to tie. You don't want the slide to start rolling out on you as you're trying to get it into the bag. Otherwise, it'll mess everything up and you'll have to start from scratch, and you do not want to do that with one of these. With all the other slides, you're going to lift it up so that you're standing the slide up straight, just as you see in the video, and then you'll throw the bag down over it. Finally, you can flip the bag over and begin to tie the bag together at the top, keeping the bag secured into place.